How to decrystallize honey, a simple step-by-step guide. Honey is a natural sweetener loved around the world, but over time, many jars turn thick and grainy, a result of crystallization. Similar to growing sugar crystals in a sugar water solution, crystallization is a natural process for honey, said Anne-Marie Fauvel, Program Director of the American Honey Producers Association. To real simple, honeys with a higher glucose ratio, like canola honey, crystallize faster, while honeys with a higher fructose ratio, like Tupelo honey, crystallize slower, Fauvel said. The rate of crystallization looks like a bell curve between low and high temperatures, Fauvel says. So keeping honey at hot temperatures or cold temperatures or where there are fluctuations of temperature can make honey crystallize faster, so keep the jar at room temperature. Some people actually prefer thick and crystallized honey. Amy Newsom, an author, gardener, and beekeeper, believes in appreciating its unique quality. "I know it can be a pain," she said to Epicurious, "but really we should learn to love it and work with it as a quirk of the natural world and marvel that the bees have managed to make something so mercurial and delicious." Place a tightly lidded honey jar in warm water, covering it. Wait 15 to 30 minutes, stir gently if clumps remain, then store at room temperature. Do not use hot water since this can degrade the honey's quality. Lower the power, microwave small portions for about 30 seconds, then stir. Continue in short intervals, stirring between, and avoid overheating. Place the honey jar into the oven or in a separate oven-safe container, and set the oven to the lowest temperature. Heat for a few hours, check periodically, remove when the honey liquefies, and monitor to prevent overheating. According to a 2017 review, honey shows antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. Enjoy in moderation and never give it to babies under 12 months.